What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. This is Sister J. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for returning. To all my subscribers and all my channel members, thank you so much. I really appreciate the love. As you can see by the title, I am making a lovely Creole dish. Come along with me. Let me show you how I do this dish. So here's the shrimp already deveined and washed in lemon juice. And I'm going to put some seasoning on the shrimp right now. I'll be using some black pepper, some garlic and herbs, some Creole seasoning, some garlic salt on the shrimp. The thing with shrimp doesn't take long to get marinated, you know, and I mean seafood in general. So I'm just seasoning the shrimp as we go along. So here I'm adding the garlic salt to it also. And here's a rundown of the other seasoning. I have onion, assorted bell pepper, I have some fresh tomato, some garlic and ginger, and some celery, and here I have some dried tomato. I also have the Creole sauce, Old Bay seasoning, soul food seasoning. I have some ginger, some basil leaves, and here I have some seafood seasoning. Fire, I have the pot. Now I'm adding some coconut oil to that. So now I'm adding the celery, the fresh tomato, the ginger, and the garlic. I'm just gonna saute this down for 2 to 3 minutes.
Yeah, my cinnamon. For you hear the voice, you're supposed to know say a chat boss, right? I'm gonna represent for the best cooking channel you don't know. You must say, Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook, all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. One leap of spice of it there inna the pot. Sister J, she no play to the world where we say when a time fi cook, she no delay. Me swear, coulda be anywhere, but inna the Caribbean we stay. Sister J, the food tastes nice. The food tastes nice. Sister J, you know what I'm saying, Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. When she start cook, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, hey, Sister J, hey, Sister J, them say it tastes nice. Start cook, all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with your friend them, comment, like. Everybody you don't know, subscribe. Remember, chat boss this attack. Sister J, the food tastes nice. The food tastes nice. Whether add rice, hey. Food tastes nice. Food tastes good, yo. Yo, pass a plate right now. No joke. You must say, Sister J, big up yourself.
Now I'm adding some red wine vinegar. I'm adding some dried tomato. some Creole sauce, I can also do the Creole shrimp another way by frying the shrimp, and then I make the sauce separate and then add the shrimp to the sauce. But I'm doing it this way this time. And you can also use tomato paste and tomato sauce instead of the fresh tomato and the dried tomato. Now I'm adding some soul food seasoning. Some seafood seasoning. Some basil leaves. Now I'm adding the onion and the assorted bell pepper. This is so colorful. Look at that, guys. My Creole shrimp is ready. And here I share a plate out. Look at that. And also I have another plate on the other side. I shared it out with some vegetables and some pigeon peas rice, otherwise gungo peas rice. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment. Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook, all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there in the